What the fuck is this shit? I know I wanted to play this game, but I don't know if I want to anymore. Welcome to Whiskers. This is a point... What the fuck was that? This is a point and click game, one of those things, and it's scary. Spoopy. I don't know why it says resume game. I haven't played this before. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's Catwoman.
You're awake. Good. I'll leave you to rest for now.
You just woke me up, you asshole. You just woke me up, you asshole. It seems like the plank is covering a hole. There's someone hanging! There's someone hanging right there! There's someone hanging! It's a fucking buddy! I see him! I see him! I see you. So fucking loud! Jesus Christ! Can I loot you, like in Skyrim? That's odd, there's no dust, only on that cover. Okay. Hello? He's hiding. Who is hiding? Door's locked tight. Can't lift that with bare hands. Nothing but a bunch of useless junk. Ooh. I have a screwdriver. Motherfucker! Where is he? Hello? Okay, a key, okay. A door key. Damn it. Where the fuck is he? Oh, please don't jump scare me. I hate this. I hate this already. Oh god! Hello? Can't run at this here. What the fuck was that? Oh. Take the key. Take the damn key. Okay. Oh. Jesus Christ. I hid a gun in the prison cell, okay. Okay. There's a gun in here? Is it in one of the planks? Oh. I got a gun. Okay, alright. This is horrible. Huh? Aha! Oh shit. No! Oh! Oh! Oh no. Not safe. Yeah, I see that! Why did I just looted his corpse? I mean, I know I joked about it, but come on. Open the fridge. Oh. I heard something. I heard something. Another victim by the infamous Mr. Whiskers last Thursday was kidnapped from his home, just as the previous, a dead mouse. The 14th victim. I heard someone. Ah! Fuck! Loud noises, man.
Go away. Leave me be.
Shit, I accidentally turned down my game volume. Go away, leave me be.
Okay, fine. I will make you a deal. If you give me a gun, I will give you some sort of list. I don't know what it is. The gun makes me feel safe, okay? Just fight me the gun.
So if I give you a gun, like this one, you will give me a list for something you don't even know what it is. That's a fair trade. Here you go.
Here, take this piece of paper. There is a list on it.
Ooh.
Good luck.
Thank you so much, sir. Fuck! No! Oh, no. No. Fuck. So much. This game is darker than I thought it would be. Things to remember. 2 planks, 8 nails, 5, 1. It's blocked. Oh. It's the code. Where's the code? Where the hell is the code? I think I've checked. I don't want to break a leg. I've checked everywhere, I think. I need a light. Where am I gonna get a light? It's gotta be something to do with the list. Oh, wait! 2851! I got it! Oh, Jesus Christ, phone, shut the fuck up. I don't care. I don't care about updates. I'm playing a horror game right now. Yeah! We big brain. No. I don't want to break. As soon as I go in there, just dead. Seems like that mask is also on that man's face. Horrible. Yeah, I'd say. Ooh, what's this? A flashlight. Can I do anything? I'm clicking on everything in here. Coordinates. 17x. That's 17 to the right and 4 down. Okay. I got a flashlight, so I can go investigate the vent area. Any goblins? Ooh. Oh, fuck you, bitch! Yeah, stay down there, you asshole! Okay, got a it's Jack. Unusual good condition. Yeah, fuck you, bitch! Voice crack. Alright. Well, I think I can use this Jack on... Yep. We're outside! Let's escape! We must escape! Find the watching. The gate is protected by electricity. I won't come near it. I won't come near it. Ah. Fuck. A toilet. Not a toilet, but fucking bathroom. Well, what does this mean? 17 to the right, 4 down. Mr. Rabbit Man, can you please help me? Whiskers, let me in! Fucker. Hello? Somebody help me. 17. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 17 to the right, 4 down. I don't like that. 17 to the right, 4 down. Yes. I got it. It's a grid. Okay, I'm just gonna put this key back. I do not like it. Well, I know where this goes. This is not gonna be good, is it?